In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Shopify product images not displaying. If your product images are missing on your Shopify store, this is often caused by a theme setting rather than a problem with the product itself. The good news is that this is usually very quick to fix, and you can check everything directly inside your theme customizer. Start by going to your Shopify admin. From there, open Online Store. Then go to Themes and click Customize. This will open your theme editor where you can adjust how your store pages appear to customers. Once you are inside the theme editor, go to the top drop-down menu and switch to a product page. This is important because you need to view the actual product template in order to check the image display settings. If you stay on another page type, the options you need may not appear. After that, look over to the left sidebar and find either the product information section or the media gallery section. The exact label can vary depending on your theme, but it will usually be one of those. Click into that section so you can see the product media settings. Now check the Hide Media option. If this box is checked, your product images will not display on the product page. Make sure that Hide Media is turned off or unchecked. This is one of the most common reasons product images disappear from view. Next, look for the desktop media size setting. Review what it is currently set to. If it is set to hidden, that means the images are being intentionally hidden on desktop view. Change this so it is not set to hidden. Choose a visible media size that allows your images to show properly on the page. Once you have confirmed both of those settings, click Save in the top corner. Saving is important so your changes go live on the storefront. After saving, you can preview the product page again and confirm that the images are now showing as expected. If your images were not displaying because of a hidden media setting, this should resolve the issue right away. These settings are easy to miss, especially if a theme was recently updated or customized, so it is always a good place to check first. That covers everything you need to know.